My name's Sarah and I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a bridal bouquet hoops that'll look something like this one here that I made. For my wedding this past year, I used these for, what's the word I'm looking for? The bridesmaids and maids of honors to use, but you can definitely use this as your bouquet if you're the bride. I went with a traditional one. I made everyone's the same. Of course, there's so many different ways you could make this and you could use this. This doesn't have to just be for weddings. This could also be decor for on your door, in your room. There's countless possibilities. The materials that you'll need before you get started are a hot glue gun sticks, floral wire, scissors, as well as hoops, which you can get from a craft store like Michael's, and your choice of a variety of flowers and different sizes of greenery. And lastly, you'll need washi tape of your choice. This one's optional, I'll explain later. Now we're going to start making the base of the hoop with your more viney greenery. Next, you'll want to start securing your greenery base with the floral wire at a couple different points to make sure it stays secure. I found it helpful to start winding it, cut how much I want, and then wind the rest to secure it. Next, you'll want to start building up your base with a variety of leaves and flowers. You can start arranging them to see what looks good and change it up if you don't like something. And again, you can start securing that down with floral wire. The flowers I find stick better if you use the glue gun at this point. And make sure to hold it for a few seconds before you let go when you're using the glue gun. Not every piece is going to go the same way. Sometimes you'll have to tie flowers, sometimes you'll have to glue them. And then lastly, you'll want to look around to see if there's anything hanging off that you don't really want to be there and just snip that off. If you wind the washi tape around the exposed metal hoop, it prevents that metal smell from getting onto your hands. I hope this was helpful to you. If this is for your wedding, I just want to wish you all the best. Congratulations. And if there are any other bridal wedding related videos or DIYs that you'd like to see me do, please let me know down in the comments. If you're just doing this for decor, I think that's a perfect idea. That's what I'm doing after the fact. Because it's faux flowers, it's of course gonna last a long time. Just need to dust it occasionally, I guess. Oh, and one little side note, I had my bridesmaids and maids of honors put it at our head table. We hung them off of Christmas stocking hangers, clear ones that I got off of Amazon. I'll link those down below in the information bar. Also have other helpful, useful information in the info bar down below, like the materials that I mentioned that you'll need. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked, and subscribe if you want to see more of the videos that I make. And one little thing that I gotta add in here now is to click on the little bell icon so that you can get notified when I post a new video. I'd really appreciate. I'm gonna have to rethink how to do my outro because I've gotten in such a habit of the other one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.